morning, that is Friday. Today is 7 o'clock, early in the morning in Norwegian time. So, dilim pa sa labas. Gumawa din rin ako. Same as usual, gawa tayo ng breakfast, guys. Ito yung breakfast ko ngayon. Mayroon tayong prosi na strawberry. And then, mayroon tayong prosi na avocado. Lagyan na natin dyan. And then, mayroon tayong pear. Binalatan ko na yung pear natin para madali na siyang gawin. And then, lagyan natin dyan. Ito yung araw-araw gawin ko sa breakfast ko. Milkshake lang, guys. And then, mayroon tayong 1 apple. Medyo siya mahal kaunti yung breakfast ko, pero hindi siya sugar and carbo. So, ito ang nakapag-list ko sa kilo sa katawan ko. So, ito na ang breakfast ko everyday. Yan. Importante may apple. Kahit anong prutas na gamitin niyo, and then huwag lang yan, hindi ko nilagyan ng sugar. No sugar, no additional sugar yan. Prutas lang yan. And then, that is it. And then, this is ready. So, mayroon akong yung dito, yung fish oil. Yung everyday ko ito umiinom. Isang kutsarita. Yeah. Drink a little bit water dahil maano yung niya, smell not good. And then mayroon tayong this is not. So mayroon tayong almond, no sugar de. Ilagay natin dito. Usually gumamit akong natural na yogurt, but wala ako. So ang gawin natin ito siya yung madali siyang bitbitin sa trabaho. Kung wala ka ng time, pwede bitbitin mo na lang ito sa trabaho mo. And then mayroon na tayong mixer dito. Mag-start na tayo, guys. Natapos na yung natin, and then lipat natin dito. Yan, that is my breakfast. And then lagyan na natin cinnamon powder. Nasa sa inyo na, guys. Yan, and that is my breakfast for today. And then gawa tayo din sa anak ko. So, mayroon tayong milk. Ito lang, gamitin ko pa rin siya. Then, gawa ta din sa kanyang breakfast. Yan. And then, mayroon din tayong prosi na strawberry sa kanya. And then, half banan lang. Yan lang. And then, no sugar. Walang halong sugar. Kasi yung banan, nakapatamis na yan ito. Yan. Sa kanya ito sa eldest son ko. Yan. Halo ko lang yan. And then, let's start. That is easy and healthy. So that is my son breakfast. Yes, this is it. This is mine, and this is my breakfast. And of course, nag-cook ko ng egg, boiled egg, guys, para sa kanya din. Ito yung every morning niya na breakfast sa anak ko. So, ganito. So, mayroon siyang boiled egg. Yan. At mayroon din akong isang perasong egg. Ang anong gawin ko, anuin ko sa trabaho yan. Ayan. Ang gawin dyan, so lagyan natin dyan. For the moment, ito yung breakfast ko. And then this is this one, like that. And then ikakat lang natin. So ikat lang natin yung tomato, the small bite. Yan. That is it. And this is for breakfast this is breakfast for my son. 3 egg and tomato and smoothie or smoothie. Of course, this. Yan, that is tea. Eating time, breakfast na tayo, almost 7:15. Mayroon pa akong 30 minutes to eat breakfast and then work time. So eating time na rin. Ito yung breakfast ko. This is it. It's yummy. Every day. Wala siyang halong sugar. Maano siya, medyo hindi siya fluffy kasi hindi yogurt ang hinahalo ko, yung almond milk. Pero pag yogurt siya natural, siya medyo thicker. Kain tayo. It is my morning. Mayroon din akong advent na candle. That is 3 now, and then that is Sunday. It's 4 candle. It's Christmas coming. So, kain tayo muna, and then see you later. This is my advent candles. Magligpit muna tayo guys dito. Yung plates natin. Lagay natin before tayo mag-work. Ligpit muna natin ito guys. Yan. This is it. Kaya malinis. Pagdating ko malinis na siya. This is life in Norway. Yan, kailangan kang kumilos. Yan. And this is it here. Meron tayong ganito. Ilagay lang natin dyan and then dito. So, meron tayong ganito. Ano natin dito guys? Ganyan ko everyday. That is my daily routine bago tayo magtrabaho. Iligpit muna natin ang mga gamit para pagdating sa bahay mamaya na siya siya nakaligpit na. Dito naman, ipatuyo muna natin ito guys. And then, hugasan natin ito para ilagay natin dito. And then, mayroon tayong dito na natin yung mga spoons and fork. Mayroon tayo, ibalik natin dyan. And then mayroon tayong egg para lunch mamaya sa trabaho. And this is it. And it's done. So, ano na siya, malinis na siya. May unti siyang milk, ilagay natin ito, guys. Isa natin ito. Lagyan natin. Maghugas muna tayo, guys. Itong punasa. And this is malinis na siya, guys. Punasan din. Punasan natin ito kaunti. At meron tayo na rito, guys. Isuk na lang muna natin sa tubig. And this is puso. Lagay natin dito. This is done. So mag-ready tayo, mag-toothbrush tayo, and then ready to work. Good morning, Nils. Hi, Nils. Good morning. Breakfast time. Hadi. Punta na tayo sa trabaho natin, guys. Ano yung weather? Malamig na malamig, and then something. Tingnan mo, guys, diba? So punta muna tayo sa trabaho natin. So ito yung mga palibot namin. Almost 7:45, and then yung palibot yung bahay namin. Yan. Diba? Madilim pa ang 7:45 sa Norway pag winter dito. So mag-drive na tayo and work time. Bye! I am back! I'm done. My work is almost 3:30 in Norwegian time. So, tapos na ako magtrabaho, no? Pauwi na ako, mag-drive home. So, pagdating sa bahay, of course, gagawa tayo ng family dinner. And then, finally, holiday time, 12 days. So, it's time to relax, sit back, and be happy. And Merry Christmas to everyone. Dito yung sasakyan ko, guys. I'm here in my car. Pauwi na ako, guys. So, ito yung trabaho ko sa likod ko. And then, see you later. So, pag-uwi natin naman sa bahay, ang gawin natin, gagawa tayo ng dinner. So, bye for now, and then see you later. Guys, so mayroon pa tayong ice, hoping na hindi siya mawala sa Pasko. This is white Christmas here in Norwegia. So this is it. And then that is the balcony, and then that is garage, and then i-open natin yung garage. Yes. So that is it, guys. So magluto naman tayo ng dinner for today. So nagbukas na yun. And then i-backing na natin sa sasakyan. Hey, my son making family dinner, just simple. So make it meatballs, cooking potato, and then making gravy or brown sauce. Of course, mayroon tayong cabbage. Yes, that is it. See, dancing or dancing. Are you happy, Yan?
Yeah, great fun.
You're happy to making.
I like meatballs.
Yes, that is
Yes.
Swedish meatballs. It's yummy and delicious.
And potatoes, very
And
good.
there's potato.
Good potatoes.
Yes, yes, yes. And that is the 10 minutes cook then potatoes. That is the best.
That's great.
Yes,
meatballs.
great meatballs. Yes. That is dinner is ready to serve na. That is the meatballs and then boiled potato. Usually kasi sa Norway guys, boiled potato and then brown sauce. Of course, mayroon sila ng sour cabbage. So this is it. Eating time. So let's eat dinner today. Which is that is boiled potato. And this is the meatballs. Wait. Meatballs.
Du lærer å skrive hva beløpet er, vet du.
So, also brown sauce, guys. Of course, mayroon tayong circle. So, let's eat. Eating time. Eat na tayo, guys. Hi! What is the taste of dinner niyan?
Very good.
Tastes good? Yummy, yummy?
Yes.
Yes, yang Christian good. And then Earth, how about the food today?
That's cool.
Is this yummy?
Expensive.
Expensive? They had been in Sweden about the meatballs. It's so expensive. Not so expensive, but it tastes good and yummy, delicious. Here we are eating with boiled potato, meatballs, of course the brown sauce, and then the cabbage called cabbage. So this is it, guys.